Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what you should do if your NorthOne Bank account is being closed. Finding out that your business banking account has been suddenly shut down or restricted can disrupt your operations and choke your cash flow. Fintech platforms like NorthOne operate under strict compliance rules with their partner banks, meaning accounts can be flagged or closed if they trigger risk parameters. The very first step is to check your email thoroughly for any notices explaining the closure or requesting updated verification documents. Financial institutions typically send automated alerts regarding policy updates, risk reviews, or compliance checks. Next, contact NorthOne support immediately through their official app or customer service channels to find out the precise status of your remaining funds. If your account is closed due to standard compliance adjustments or shifting risk appetites rather than illegal activity, ask customer service how and when your balance will be returned to you. While you wait for your funds, you must act quickly to protect your business operations. Immediately reroute any incoming customer payments, merchant payouts, or direct deposits away from the closed account. Update your billing details for any active software subscriptions, vendor payments, or automatic expenses linked to your NorthOne debit card to avoid missed payments or penalty fees. If your balance is being held, find out if the platform requires you to submit an alternate external business bank account number to facilitate an ACH transfer or if they will mail you a physical paper check. Keep detailed records of all communication, transaction histories, and statements for your accounting and tax reporting needs. Finally, immediately establish a backup business checking account with another financial provider or fintech alternative to ensure your day-to-day cash flow continuity is not left vulnerable to single platform dependency. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.